What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to solve the battery draining from Wi-Fi on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, disable Wi-Fi scanning. So for that, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on connections. Now here click on Wi-Fi and then click on this three dot more icon. Now from here click on intelligent Wi-Fi, and here you will see a switch to better Wi-Fi networks button. So if this button is turned on, then your Wi-Fi will always scan for better Wi-Fi's. So just simply tap on this button to turn it off, and after turning off this button your Wi-Fi will stop scanning. Now the second solution to fix your battery draining from Wi-Fi is avoid weak Wi-Fi signals. So if your Wi-Fi signals are weak, then disconnect your Wi-Fi and connect to another Wi-Fi network. And after doing this, if you are still facing the issue of battery draining from Wi-Fi, then the third solution is disable auto switching. So for that, open settings, click on connections and then click on Wi-Fi. Now click on this three dot more icon, and from here click on intelligent Wi-Fi, and here you will see a switch to mobile data button. So if this button is turned on, then your Wi-Fi will drain your battery by switching to mobile data and Wi-Fi again and again. So just simply tap on this button to turn it off. So after turning off this button, it will help you to fix your battery draining issue from Wi-Fi. But if you are still facing the same problem, then the last solution is open settings again, tap on connections. Now tap on Wi-Fi and then click on three dot more icon. Now from here click on advanced settings and tap on manage networks. Now from here delete extra Wi-Fi networks, and from here select the extra Wi-Fi networks and tap on delete icon. And after deleting extra Wi-Fi networks, it will fix your battery draining issue from Wi-Fi. So that's how you can solve the battery draining issue from Wi-Fi in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.